Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Alright, first things first, make sure to leave a like to support the channel, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload new videos. So I just want to do a little video and show you guys what the root systems look like after I harvested the plants. This is probably after like 2 weeks after I harvested, so the plants are already all dried and whatnot. That's why the room is clear. But I really wasn't able to show the roots before when the plants are actually in the RDWC system, just because it was like hard and I couldn't pick up the actual plant. So this is just me going around picking up all the buckets, well, the lids in the buckets, and just showing you the root system. Like I mentioned before, I did grow everything with crop salt nutrients, so I'll have a link in the description as well as a discount code if you guys want to use it. And normally the roots would not look like this orange color as they are right now. It's just because the plants pretty much are dead. They were more of a white before. This is just because the plants have been, well, not the plants, but the root system has been sitting in the buckets without like any plants on it, so they kind of dried up. I'll also be doing a little giveaway of the seeds that I use to grow these plants. They're Cherry Sunset. They are regular photoperiod seeds, so they're not feminized, so you will have to look through to find the fems. Unless you are trying to breed them, you will be able to breed the seeds, or breed the plants and get new seeds. I'll talk more about the giveaway in either the next video or something. It's not set in stone yet, so just wait till that. But this last lid was the biggest plant I had, and honestly I had to wait a couple weeks just to be able to lift the root system out, because it was just like, honestly, it was much bigger than that, and I couldn't even lift the lid. Like, the roots were just so expanded and completely fit in the bucket. I'm not even sure how I got water in here, but hey, it definitely drank plenty of water, so I'm happy with that. I will be uploading my results for the harvest soon, so stay tuned for that. But that pretty much does wrap up the video, guys. So thanks again. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload new videos.